Want to stop the 2-second timer that appears when powering off your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? This usually happens because of the default shutdown delay setting in the camera. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the 2-second timer when turning off your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on Settings. Then scroll down a little bit and find the Rotate Screen to Power Off option. After that, tap on it, then simply select Now. Now rotate the screen to power off. And here, 2-second timer is disabled. This is how you can disable the 2-second timer when turning off your DJI Osmo Pocket. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.